Hi, it's Brian Decker with your Market Minute. We've talked about how we choose our risk managers. We're math-based. We go to the databases. We've talked in detail about the tactical manager, the NASDAQ mutual fund manager, the NASDAQ ETF manager, and now we're going to talk about gold and silver. Gold and silver are commodities that typically are non-correlated to the stock markets. What makes gold and silver go up usually makes the stock market go down. Higher interest rates usually bring the US dollar down. Negative GDP numbers, lower economic numbers usually bring the US dollar down. So gold and silver are an important part of our strategy, especially as we have larger and larger deficits that we're dealing with. If you would have bought gold in 2005, your average annual return is 9.3%. 2008 wasn't a big deal. It was 2013, 14, and 15 when gold was down 45%, silver was down 65%. The long-short strategy that our manager has with gold, remember buy and hold was 9%, 9.3. His returns are over 23% net of all fees. And he's never had a losing year except this year. I know, so frustrating. This is called model risk. Model risk is after computer models have produced great returns. They just have 1 year where it's flat when the indexes are higher. And we're experiencing that with 4 of our 5 managers this year. Last year, the S&P's up 18, we were up 32. This year, we're up 3 with the indexes up over 20. So it's been very frustrating. Now, silver is our highest earning risk manager, period, bar none. If you would have bought and held silver since 2006, you would have lost 65% of your money in 2013, 14, and 15. The silver long short manager has synced up beautifully with silver itself. It's produced 1 negative year, lost 4.2% in 2015 when silver was down 65% during that 3-year period. But it's down over 5% this year. Average annual return is 40.8%. So gold and silver are an important part of our strategy, especially as we have higher debt levels as a country. Inflation is starting to go up, and an interest rate cycle looks like it's ticking higher. Those all feed into higher gold and silver prices. Hope you have a great week.